Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some brilliant 2022 haircut ideas. So if you're thinking of shaking things up with a shorter look, definitely stay tuned. So the first one showcases this gorgeous Shaggy Bob, loving the dark roots and the blonde highlights throughout. I think that this is absolutely a gorgeous haircut. And then moving into the next clip, this one showcases some cool girl bangs. So he's using a razor in order to cut the bangs. And there he is blowing the hair out. And it looks to me as if she pretty much has the curtain bangs going on with this hairstyle, as well as a few layers. So the next cool girl haircut is going to feature a bob and a color transformation. So with this hairstyle, it appears to be more of that classic angled bob that comes to around chin length. And there we have it, gorgeous angled bob. So next up with this one, we are going to see a pixie haircut as well as a pop of color. Loving the mix of salt and pepper with this hairstyle. I love the emphasis of the gray mixed into the bangs. I think that she really made the pixie stand out even more. And then next, we are going to take a look at this gorgeous angled bob. For this, she is keeping her hair dark, and she's just going with more of that traditional angled bob silhouette. I love the fullness and the thickness of her hair. It looks very healthy, very shiny. Alright, so next we are going to take a look at how to do some layered curls. This one is once again using that razor in order to cut the bangs. And then he is also using a razor to cut the layers throughout the hair. And once again, she does have kind of like that curtain bangs shape. And then he added some soft curls. So heading into our next haircut, this one is going to feature a red pixie. This is more of a deep burgundy red color that we're seeing. And this pixie does have more of that 90s feel to it. It also features bangs in the front. So it kind of has more of that bowl shape, which was very popular during the 90s. Absolutely love this. Very cute, very simple, yet it speaks volumes. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.